Hey guys, today let's learn how to delete the blocked contacts from WhatsApp. So if you guys are wondering how to do this, in this video, I'm gonna teach you just how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to launch the WhatsApp application and go on over to the specific chat that you specifically blocked. We have this person over here that I've recently blocked. And if you want to go and delete the person, or delete the whole chat, of course, just tap on their numbers or their names, and then tap on clear chat, clear all messages, and basically, you will not have any history of talking to them. Now, if they are still located here, just go ahead and swipe from the right to the left, and then go ahead and tap on delete chat. Once more, right here, tap on delete chat, and it's gonna delete the chat from your recently chatted people altogether. And that's all for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.